Hi guys, and if you're ever trying to get a hose out, knivesdeal.com, great pieces. For 10% off, use promo code SENDITSTEVE. You can go ahead and cut it. Look how it cuts right through that. And you guys are calling them junk knives? Come on. Guess what? I'm done with it. $6. Throw it away. Get another one. Promo code SENDITSTEVE, all one word. Well, the Bruce is definitely getting expensive, but we are fueling up and on our way down to Danny's Slow Restoration. Now, he is down in Peach Bottom, Pennsylvania, so definitely been sucking up some fuel running back and forth, but that's okay. The Bruce is well worth it. This guy is always playing in this pool. We can never get any work done. Well, if you guys don't know, we are back at Danny's again. Man, is this a drive. It's about an hour and a half drive, but we've been doing it, guys. It's for you guys. I've been putting in the work, doing the driving, and the Bruce is coming along, so let's get in here and get the day started.
How close Steve was to actually dragging his foot on the ground.
Holy cow. Now, I know I already did like a rust video with you guys,
this side isn't much different.
Man, am I glad that we are deciding not to salvage this truck. I mean, everything up here looks great. The tunnel, which we are probably going to end up using. Danny really wants me to use this tunnel for the Bruce project.
It's already fabricated, so we can just cut a big section
what we
out
need and transfer over.
And we already know it covers that transmission and transfer case, so we're good with that.
Definitely. And I kind of wish, you know how there's like scents and things that you guys get to smell, like burnouts and things. I wish you guys were here to smell some of the scents that are coming out of this truck.
Like smell-o-vision.
Yeah, like you can tell Danny's face right now, it's balled up as we're speaking of it, but the carpet is sopping wet. I mean, it is freaking foul, and I am glad that we are, you know,
it smells like a swamp.
Not salvaging this. So let's get the cab off. I think we're there.
Yep, cab mounts, and we're gonna
look at that though.
up in the way.
I mean, that is freaking bad. That's a heat shield.
Steve is crushing rust with his bare hands again. So the guy who left that comment, yeah, he's still doing it.
Yeah. Whoever left that comment about me crushing rust with my bare hands, I definitely.
And I did offer him gloves.
He did.
Not that these will stop everything, but
I mean, I don't think I have any cuts or anything like that, but we got tough skin. Let's keep plugging and chugging.
Can't see.
All right, PJ Masks.
Yeah, we are actually.
Oh boy. Now, this was obviously my idea. We're just kind of trying to get the cab off for now, but we are freaking making headway, boys and girls. The Bruce is coming along. I sort of feel like we're working on a power stroke here. Yeah, definitely. All right, so we're just gonna move this. Oh no. Well, this was a good cab. Oh my God. Oh my God, this was a good cab. So unfortunately now, guys, we don't have a good cab to sell, but unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is why kids can't have toys. Luckily, there wasn't much fuel in that. All right, well, on to the next thing.
It's easier. Don't judge me. Don't judge me.
Wow. Wow. That's real life.
It's all right. I'll do it myself.
I've been doing everything else, so it's about time you do something.
Oh yeah, you got it on video?
Fine. I'll do it all, Danny. I've been doing it all anyway. It's fine. No problem, Danny. I got it.
Well, it is yours. I'm just helping.
This was your task. You wanted this. I was ready to sell it. I was not ready to sell it, guys. Just so you guys know. I was super ready to sell it, not just them.
Ends.
Yeah. There's more rust that is busted.
Rust busted.
Don't tell him I just did that.
Are you making messes?
Don't tell him I just did that.
I'll get it.
Luckily, knivesteel.com. It's gonna break anyway. Look at it. Knivesteel.com, guys. Great pieces. You have a power steering line that you need to get out. You just grab your knife, 4 or 5 back and forths, and you're through. That's using your noodle. Now my knife has power steering fluid all over it. Luckily,
Unfortunately, I don't think we're balanced out here.
not at all, but we'll be alright.
Okay?
Luckily, if you do destroy your knives, they're throwaway knives. Throw it in the trash and buy another one.
Please buy a knife. Buy 2.
Definitely. Actually, guys, I gotta give you guys a huge shout out. You guys are killing it with the Knives Deal purchases. Left and right, they're flying off the shelves. They called me and told me they had to restock, which is good. Yeah, good.
Let's
Ladies and gents, it's out. Again, guys, I got to give a huge thanks to Danny. We are literally tearing his shop down. And I don't want to say I couldn't have done it without you, but I would have gave up twice now. That's one thing about working with somebody else is like he motivates me when I'm down, I motivate him when he's down, and it kind of helps each other, you know, come together on a project.
Definitely. Yeah,
Definitely.
for sure.
There was many a nights where I wanted to stop, but we stayed and got it, you know, a little bit more done each night, and it actually helped us in the long
Cried
run.
a little bit, sobbed, and then we got back to work.
Yeah, there's definitely some blood, sweat, and tears going into this project. I hope you guys appreciate it. So let's get the frame out of here and get her laid in the Bruce. It's been real, GMC. Oh, I gotta show you guys another part of the GMC too while we're there, but I'll show it to you once it's out. The frame over here actually has holes in it also that I did not see prior. I can't believe this is the last of the GMC. Like, it's killing me. It's killing me to see this thing leave. Many good years with this truck. Very reliable. Always fired up when I needed it. And that's it, and just like that, it's out of my life. And just like that, the GMC is a wrap. On to bigger and better things. Let's get to it. I am freaking pumped now that the drivetrain and everything is out. Let's get the Bruce alive.
Push that away and I'll push this one. Nice and easy. Sharp metal everywhere. Sharp metal everywhere. probably ready to start coming down. Watch that because it's a little finicky. You know how they can be. That one's definitely that way. Like a little is a lot. Let's just look and make sure what we're skidding past.
Probably down a little, like slow though.
We use. Man, that is not at all what I pictured it looking like. I thought the motor would be like extremely accessible.
Yeah. No. I mean, when I do the cam, it'll be easy. Your intake's gonna suck to try to pull.
Actually, I don't think it's gonna be bad.
I don't know if the mounts are gonna work. Alrighty, well, thanks to Danny, we finally have the engine laid in place.
Victory. It's not at all what I pictured it was gonna look like in there, but it is in there.
Yeah, I didn't think it was. I thought it would be out a little bit more. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest with you.
But then you look how stubby
the front is.
Actually is. So I guess it makes sense. It's just not at all what I pictured.
Definitely. I didn't expect it to be all back here. Now I know you guys are looking at a bunch of mesh right now, and you don't understand that we're gonna be able to tie the wires up. Like it's just the computer's up here. Like it's a little bit of a mess right now. But I wanted to get a video out to you guys. I know I said I was gonna get a fire up video, but I mean this is just fantastic headway. I am freaking ecstatic.
It's got motor mounts. They're sitting in them. It's got a transmission cross member. Yeah. It's sitting on that.
It's literally absolutely perfect. The only thing we will have to do is underneath the side here is we'll have to go ahead and you can see how the motor mount is kind of tweaked backwards a little. We'll have to drill our holes for the transmission mount to sit on the factory cross member there. Transmission cross member, whatever you want to call it. And it should actually go pretty easy. That should be simple. Just drill that and then we'll have to get a custom drive shaft made and we'll be good to go. I am freaking pumped, guys. In here, obviously you can tell it's sitting almost flush with the firewall. I mean, it's
protruding a little bit.
Yeah, it's coming back a little bit, but once we get the mount in place and everything, it'll kind of seesaw it up a little and we should be actually really, really good to go. I know to you guys it looks like a bunch of crap right now and it probably doesn't look in the best of condition, but we've made tremendous headway and I gotta thank Danny. He was motivation when I wanted to go home, and you know, like I said before, we definitely fed off of each other during this project. Yep. So
one person is hard to keep steam rolling.
Definitely.
Two people, especially when you're arguing.
Yeah. Not that we argued a bunch, but there was a bunch of discrepancies. Like, I think we should do it this way. Well, let's do it this way. Let's do it this way. So it was just, you know, two experienced guys trying to help each other in what would be easier. And it was definitely, we butted heads a few times, but nothing like, you know, a marriage wouldn't be. So.
Well, it's not like it's a textbook instance.
That's also true. Yeah, it's not like we had a format that we were working off of here, but you know, we pulled it off, and tomorrow we're gonna get a fire up for you guys and we'll be good to go.
Sounds good.
I'm freaking pumped. So there you have it, guys. We have got the engine laid in the Bruce. I hope you guys are excited about it. I know it doesn't really look super exciting right now or anything like that, but once we get it, you know, buttoned up in the wiring where we need it to be, it's actually gonna be a freaking cool project. So again, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and we will see you in the fire up.
In the next episode.
In the next episode.
For the fire up.
Yeah, for the fire up. Thank you guys. Take care. We'll see you next one.